Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Counter affidavit filed today by Learned AGA is taken on record. Para. As per office report dated 13/1/2025, in compliance of order dated 12/12/2024, the Chief Judicial Magistrate Bahraich has sent report email dated 13/1/2025, and as per Chief Judicial Magistrate Bahraich, notice has been served personally to opposite party numbers 2 and 3. Para. In view of the above, notice is deemed to be sufficient. Para. Heard Sri Sailendra Kumar, Learned Counsel for the Appellants, Learned AGA for the state, and perused the material available on record. Para. The present appeals have been filed under Section 14A(2) of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act 1989, in short SC/ST Act, against the impugned order dated 16/7/2024, passed by Special Judge SC/ST Act Bahraich in bail application number 1404 12A 2024, arising out of crime number 277 of 2024 under sections 147, 308, 323, 452, 336, 504, 506 IPC and section 3(1)(d), 3(2), 5A of SC/ST Act, Police Station Kotwali Dehat, District Bahraich. Para. Pressing the present appeal and impeaching the order under appeal dated 16/7/2024, whereby the Special Judge SC/ST Act Bahraich rejected the bail application registered as bail application number 1404/12A/2024, preferred by 6 applicants, namely Rampal Yadav, Hanuman Yadav, sons of Bahadur, alias Mahadev. Appellants herein Budhram alias Buddhi and Sukhram alias Millu, Vijay, sons of Rampal, and Manoj, son of Hanuman. It is stated that on a conjoint reading of the FIR crime number 277 of 2024 dated 2/6/2024, registered under sections 147, 308, 323, 452, 336, 504, 506 IPC and section 3(1)(d), 3(2), 5A of SC/ST Act, and the injury sustained by Subham Singh, Nam Babu, Rakesh Singh, and Om Prakash Singh, it is apparent that some altercation took place, and in the said altercation the injuries were sustained by the person's name in the FIR. Para. It is further stated that from a bare perusal of the FIR and the statement of the injured witnesses would indicate that general role has been assigned to all the accused except Malti and Santi, which relates to causing injuries with lathi and danda. Stop. In regard to Malti and Santi, the case set up in the FIR is to the effect that they thrown the stones on Baburam and others, and on account of the same, Baburam and others sustained injuries. Para. It is stated that in view of the case set up in the FIR and the injuries sustained, it is not clear that who caused the fatal and serious injuries to injured Subham Singh and Babu Ram, whose actual name as per injury report is Nan Babu. Para. It is stated that taking benefit of the injury sustained, the informant implicated all the main family members of accused appellant Rampal Yadav and accused appellant Hanuman Yadav, who are real brothers. Para. It is also stated that criminal history of 4 cases against the appellants is explained in para 20 of the first bail application, and in all 4 cases the appellants have been enlarged on bail. Copy of bail orders is annexed collectively as annexure number 9. The appellants are in jail since 4/6/2024. Para. He further submitted that co-accused, namely Vijay Budhram alias Buddhi, Sukhram alias Neelu, and Manoj, having identical role, have already been released by this court wide order dated 7/11/2024, passed in criminal appeal numbers 2828 of 2024 and 2515 of 2024. Therefore, he prays that the appellants may be released on bail. Para. Learned Counsel for Informant, opposite party numbers 2 and 3, as also learned AGA, vehemently opposed the prayer of the appellants. However, they could not dispute the above contentions made by the appellants' counsel. Para. Considered the arguments advanced by the learned counsel for the appellants as well as learned counsel for the informant, opposite parties numbers 2 and 3, as also learned AGA, and gone through the contents of the appeals, impugned order, FIR, as well as injury reports of injured persons. Para. Upon due consideration of above facts and circumstances, particularly the allegations against the appellants in FIR and injury report of the injured, as also the period of incarceration, and also keeping in view the fact that the trial of the case is not likely to be concluded in near future, this court is of the view that the appeals have substance and the same are accordingly allowed. Para. Order dated 16/7/2024, passed by Special Judge SC/ST Act, Bahraich, in bail application number 1404/12A/2024, arising out of crime number 277 of 2024 under sections 147, 308, 323, 452, 336, 504, 506 IPC and section 3, 1D, 325A of SC/ST Act. Police Station Kotwali Dahat, District Bahraich is set aside qua the appellant. Para. Let appellants Rampal Yadav and Hanuman Yadav be released on bail in the aforesaid case crime number on their furnishing personal bond of rupees 25,000 and 2 reliable sureties, each of the like amount, to the satisfaction of the court concerned, subject to following additional conditions. Stop.